I think it's time to short Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you why. This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. We already start from a bigger time frame of things to see how we can profit from the situation. The first bad sign that I don't like is that we can see that on the weekly chart, the faster moving average, which is the 10-week, has crossed below the 30-week moving average. So this is a very bad sign. And when normally this happens, what you want to wait for is the price will fall below the 30-week moving average, and then it will normally come back to test that breakout over there, and then it will crash after that. So we can see that happened over here, right? It crashed, it will come back to test that, and then it will crash. So that test is something that we're going to be waiting for over the next several months. If it happens, then it continues to fall down, then you're going to make a lot of money on the downside. If it tries to test this and then just continues to go up, then it will be a buying signal. So you always have to be very careful on your feet. But right now, there's a very short-term swing trading opportunity that you can profit from if you go to the daily chart. So you always want to wait for like a huge downtrend like this, very simple. And then you want to wait for a consolidation that takes at least 3 weeks to 4 weeks. So this is happening over here. So you can see there's a huge rejection around this price from 93,000 to 95,000. And then I have my trend line over here. Once Bitcoin comes to break this trend line and closes both below the 20-day simple moving average and this trend line, something which I see around here, it's time to short immediately because it's a very good swing trading opportunity. And how do you get to know these profit targets? The first profit target is 1.5 average true ranges away. The second one is twice of this, which is about 3 average true ranges away. So you can take some partial profit at 1. And I found that for such a very short consolidation, it will only reach 2. So what I think Bitcoin is going to do is that it's actually just coming to test out this low, and then it will go back up. But that going back up, I don't know if it's going to be going back to all-time highs, or is it just going to go back for a while and then continue to crash down. But that happens, whichever happens, stay subscribed to the channel, and then you can see how you can profit from either of those opportunities. Thank you.